Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload your Power BI dashboard on GitHub. So first you have to open your GitHub dashboard, then you just need to simply log into your account and simply click on your profile in the top right corner. Then go to your repositories and you have to select the repositories where you want to upload your file. So make sure that you have just saved your Power BI dashboard as the PDF file or as the PBIX file. So this here you can see I have just saved my dashboard file as PBIX file here. So you can upload it easily. You can simply click on add file, then simply click on create file here, then you can simply add it, or you can just drag and drop it. Like you can drag and drop this file here, not this here. Here you can see here you can find the upload file, sorry, not create file. You can upload file. You can simply click on choose file and choose your PDF or PDIX file. So here you can see it has just uploading my dashboard, the Power BI CRM dashboard here. So here you can see now simply click on commit changes and it will process your file and it will upload the file here. Here you can see. So then you can upload, you can open it according to your need, and right now it can't actually read the file here. So that's how you can simply easily upload your Power BI dashboard on GitHub. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.